There's nothing more satisfying than watching consequences land exactly where they should, especially when it comes to parking habits that frustrate everyone. This video was created to ease every bit of irritation you've ever felt on the road. Park Time invites you to watch, and the story begins now. Paying the fine is the fastest way to solve the problem. If you insist on pushing back, the cost can easily double. Hey, don't park in front of my house. Let me show you how proper parking is actually done.
Run.
At least he took the time to park within the lines. Credit where credit is due. This girl seems pretty careless. Maybe she hasn't driven in a long time. Oh no, his car door just left together with the bus. Luckily, the car didn't suffer any major damage. Supercars may be expensive, but unfortunately, you're not allowed to park here. Don't say women are bad drivers. If they were, they couldn't pull this off. That horse clearly looks hurt after a car blocked its path while it was running. A bit crazy, sure, but he still managed to defeat the wheel clamp.
You got it. Let's go.
That's the price you pay for ignoring traffic signs. He paid dearly for his foolish decision. Easy there. Everyone, this is getting very expensive. Just a small mistake can lead to big trouble. Never park in a pedestrian lane. Never park in front of someone else's house. Avoid it, or the ending may surprise you. There's enough space for a bus to pull in, yet she somehow turned it into an unsolvable puzzle. Anyone want to step in and help her out? It's tough for the security guard, but rules are rules. Ladies, let's make sure we understand traffic laws before hitting the road. Park within your lines, my friend. Don't cross over like that. Have you ever had your car towed? I have. Hey, hothead, we could have just contacted the car owner to move it. This is not funny at all. It's extremely dangerous. Is this a premium parking ticket or what, guys?
Whoa. Seriously? This is so good. Wait, why are they... Oh, I feel like this guy's stuck like...
Don't pull this stunt on a bridge. Drive safely. That's way too dangerous, man. Don't regret it just to save 1 minute. People acting like this should be stopped for everyone's safety.
Jumped on my car. Ruined it.
So who do you think is at fault in this case? This camera angle actually seems to get more views. Always give way to fire trucks. Never block emergency access. How did a tree end up growing inside a car? What did she just do to that car? Hey, don't drag me away. I don't want to go anywhere. Clearly, that rock blocked his way. Not his fault at all. This guy's job is basically eating lunch and cutting illegal wheel clamps every day. Sounds lucrative. Driving like this is a fast track to buying a new car. That idiot managed to hit the only light pole in the entire parking lot. That awkward little hop the car made was surprisingly precise. What is this guy even doing testing speed against a door? How did he get in here in the first place? And now how does he get out? Karma for those who park where they shouldn't. That's dangerous, man. You could have just paid the fine and avoided all this. Next time he parks illegally, the ending might be even worse. Every lesson comes at a price. Paying for it once can save you later. Only 2 weeks old, and it already has dents like battle scars. Is this the worst parking lot ever, or does this car have wings? What did he think he was doing? Sometimes, relief comes from seeing order restored. These moments aren't here to judge, only to record the consequences. Park Time captures everyday stories from the streets. Follow Park Time to see what happens next.